Let's begin with a short story, A Question of Trust, a piece commonly studied in class 10, and use it to explore how careful planning and human frailty interact in a single dramatic episode. I'll guide you through a clear outline. First, the key events and characters, then a more detailed summary of the heist and its fallout, followed by the story's main themes and a short glossary to clarify important words. At the center is Horace Danby, outwardly a respectable citizen, but secretly a clever thief who steals once a year to buy rare books. He targets Shotover Grange for jewels worth about £15,000, is tricked by a woman into opening a safe without gloves, and is later arrested because his fingerprints give him away. The story ends with him working as a prison librarian, reflecting on how he was outwitted. Looking closer at Horace, we see a man of contrasts. About 50, unmarried, a successful lockmaker living with a housekeeper. Admired by his neighbors, yet living a double life. His thefts are not impulsive but deliberately planned. One meticulous robbery each year to fund his passion for rare volumes. His heist plan shows that method. He chooses Shotover Grange after studying the place for 2 weeks. The layout, the paths, even the wiring. The jewels are valuable enough to buy 3 special books. The opportunity comes when the servants go to the movies and Horace slips in through the kitchen using a key from the hook, even calming a friendly dog named Sherry by calling it by name. Inside the house, the safe is hidden behind a painting, and a bouquet of flowers triggers his hay fever, adding an unexpected complication. Just as he prepares to crack the safe, a young woman appears and claims to be the owner. She plays the part convincingly and sees through Horace's attempts to bluff or threaten. She offers him a deal. If he opens the safe for her, she will let him go, inventing a story about needing the jewels for a party because she promised her husband to take them to the bank. Horace, wanting to work quickly, removes his gloves, a crucial mistake, opens the safe, hands over the jewels and leaves. For 2 days he keeps his promise. But on the 3rd day, the police arrest him for the Shotover Grange robbery. The decisive evidence is his fingerprints left after he took off his gloves. The young lady is revealed to be a fellow thief, and the real owner's wife is older. Horace ends up as an assistant librarian in prison, feeling betrayed and angry about notions of honor among thieves. The story explores themes of deception, morality, and the possibility of redemption. People deceiving one another for personal gain, the moral dilemmas that follow, and how a character's life can change after a fall from respectability. It highlights that crime doesn't pay, appearances can be deceptive, and integrity matters. To make sure the vocabulary is clear, unmarried means not married. Consequences are the results of actions. A burglar is someone who commits burglary. Deception is the act of misleading another person, and a dilemma is a difficult choice between similarly undesirable options. Additional useful terms. Redemption refers to being saved or restored after wrongdoing. Ethical relates to moral principles. Transformation means a significant change in form or character. Integrity is honesty and strong moral principle. And pitfalls are hidden dangers or problems to watch out for. In short, the core message is cautionary. Even the most meticulous plan can fail when trust is misplaced. Horace's misplaced trust in someone who violated the thieves' code led to his downfall and a bitter life behind bars, which gives the story its powerful moral weight. Keep exploring these elements: plot, character motive, and vocabulary, because understanding why people make certain choices helps you read more deeply and learn the lesson the story is trying to teach.